Recent droughts in Emery, Utah have led investigations on the best way to store water in the high desert. A valuable resource yet to be explored are the abandoned coal mines in the mountains to the northwest of the town. In specific, the abandoned Pines tract of the Sufco coal mine would provide water purification, water protection, and water transportation for the town of Emery. Because of this, it is preferable to build an underground reservoir in the abandoned coal mine rather than construct a typical open reservoir. Water purification can naturally occur inside of abandoned coal mines. In fact, coal is found in many water purification systems, like this one. The Moreland Mine, 40 miles north of Emery, has been abandoned for over 100 years and now overflows with clean, usable water. People living near this mine collect the water and use it for culinary purposes. The Moreland Mine is an example of how the Pines tract could be used by Emery to purify and store water. Water protection is a crucial factor in mine development. In open reservoirs, mines suffer from evaporation, freezing, surface water use, and algae growth. In an underground reservoir, these problems are non-existent. Evaporation. Emery, Utah is hot and dry. This is a photo of the Muddy Creek watershed that provides Emery's water. Local reservoirs lose millions of gallons of water each year to evaporation. An underground reservoir in an abandoned coal mine would not lose these precious drops of water to evaporation. Freezing. This is a frozen creek near the town of Emery. Over the last few years, frozen water has been a serious problem for the town. In an underground reservoir, there would be no problem with freezing because underground temperatures are a constant 55 degrees Fahrenheit year-round. Surface water use. Common reservoir activities such as boating, fishing, and other recreation can pollute drinking water. The inability to do these surface water use activities would keep the subsurface reservoir free of litter, gas spills, pollution, etc. Algae growth. This is a picture of algae growth at Utah Lake. Open surface reservoirs can be overrun by algae blooms as well. In the underground reservoir, there would be no algae growth because there would be no sunlight. This would also keep out other harmful organisms, such as mussels. The abandoned coal mine is advantageous because of its ability to transport water. The Pines tract is located high in the mountains, allowing the water to flow downhill by gravity. This would allow the town of Emery to feed their system with pressurized water, providing water to all people in the town. It is my recommendation that the town of Emery construct an underground reservoir in the Pines Tract section of the abandoned Sufco coal mine. This is the ideal location to maximize water purification, water protection, and water transportation. This type of reservoir will meet Emery's current and future water needs.